turned to us for several years. You don't have any system issue. Just please.
This is our company logo, Shanghai Client Diesel Engine Company Limited. Now let's show us our office. This is our office.
According to application,
This is our meeting room.
there are
So cold.
different kinds of engines, such as inboard marine engine, outer
知道你在读什么吗？
marine.
我们现在在介绍会议室。You can look this is our so many certificates and you can look at this. This engine is MTU model. Now we will show you our warehouse. Our warehouse is in the first floor.你先拿一下，先拿一下。我先拿那个。Now we are in our warehouse. So many engines in our warehouse. 这个是什么型号 Now we will introduce our series hot product. 可以展示一下我们仓库啊，这里好多发动机，你看说一下。The green is a pump engine.
According to engine grade, we can offer Cummins, Stories, Isuzu, Weichai, Chengchai, and Yamaha. Now let me show you our offering area. You can see many equipment. When you treat, you can relax.
你告诉我 ，so many equipment 在哪里？你能不能在读的时候找一下镜头 ？And we also can supply engine parts. This is Max parts. So many. Now we will show you our hot product 4JB1T. 怎么有水呀、谁在讲？谁讲这个？你拿着。这还有一个手机。
Now please follow me to visit our warehouse. I will show you several engines. First, I want to introduce Isuzu 4JB1T. You can see so many world cars of 4JB1T ready to ship to, and the client already become one of the bigger distributors in the country.
We also can supply forklift.
The engine is inline, 4 cylinders, 68 kilowatt, 3 3,600 speed. The engine uses VT type is to control and when it's running, very super. Whereas the engine used in light trick and pickup trick. Besides, if you are familiar with engines, you can satisfy generate scent and fire pump. It depends on your demand. Any details you can check our above website. Now we will introduce which hybrid. Okay, let's move on to next engine, China foremost brand Weichai Marine. This model is WP6C 250 horsepower, 2003 speed, inline type 6 cylinders. Right now it is Weichai brand. This is very good brand. It's best brand of marine engine in China. In fact, now lots of creators trust Chinese brand marine engine compared to common engine. The Chinese brand engine is more cheap. Quality is also good. The engine displacement is 6.75. The engine overhead period can reach 12,000 hours. It's very reliable and super. You can see the engine fuel pump. Fuel pump.
Where is the fuel pump? You can look at this. This is a fuel injection pump and filters. This is starter and heat exchanger. You can look. This engine is 6 cylinders.
Really likes the Cummins and Weichai marine engine used in paddle boats, top changer. We not only offer marine engine but also offer marine gearbox and propeller shaft. Look at this marine gearbox.
Where is the gearbox?
Gearbox in warehouse.
能不能灵活一点? Okay, now I'll show you next engine. What's this engine application?
For shipping. Let me introduce this engine. This engine is Weichai WP6C 144 E201. Okay, let's move it. to this engine, Chinese famous brand Weichai Marine. This model is WP6C YC6J210 with 144 kW and 195 HP, 1018 RPM. This engine is in my Type 6 considers. Displacement is 6.75 liter. The engine overhaul period can arrive 11,000 hours. It's very reliable and stable. First, you can see the engine, air intake and exhaust system. Turbocharged shoot-off cylinder mounted on the fuel pump. Special rear-mounted air filter with restriction indicator. High performance silencer as standard. Stainless steel exhaust manifold cover for heat insulating. Then P-type fuel injection pump and injector for higher inject pressure. Duplex fine filter and large capacity per filter for better efficiency. Electric system 24V electric starter motors and battery charging alternator. And this engine cooling system, radiator and hoses supplied separately. Thermostatically controlled system with both driven coolant pump and pressure fan. And its lubrication system, felt bottom, large capacity oil pan, 20 liter, spin on, 4 flow, loop oil filter, special design, connector for oil heater and driving of oil pump. Its engine and block, cast aero gantry type, structure black block, one piece forging, crankshaft, separator cast, aero cylinder heads and weight lines, aluminum alloy pistons with gallery oil cooling. The diesel engine has the highest thermal efficiency of any practical internal or external combustion engine due to its very high expansion rate and inherent burn, which enable heat dissipation by the excess air. A small efficiency loss is also avoided compared to two-stroke, no direct injection gasoline engine, since unbranded fuel is not present as valve overlap, and therefore no fuel goes directly from the intake injection to the exhaust. Low-speed diesel engine, as used in ships and other applications, where overall engine weight is relatively unimportant, can have a thermal efficiency that exceeds 15%. We not only offer marine engine, but also offer marine gearbox and propeller shaft anywhere, any demand. Let us know. By the way, we not have marine engines. We also have car engines, machine engines. Now, place an order and contact us. We will give you the best price. Please trust our quality and service. We will definitely bring you wonderful shipping experience. Okay, let me introduce last engine, Cummins engine 588.
在哪？
那个上面还有中介资料，经常看邮件。
那你现在干嘛了？
看使用那机器。
看了个寂寞。
Let's see the Cummins engine. Cummins has a engine, which is four-cycle industrial diesel, delivers reliable power, low emissions, and a fast response to load changes. Permanent magnet generator offers enhanced motor starting and fault clear short circuit capabilities. Several alternator types offer selectable motor starting capability with low reactance, pitch readings, low waveform distortion with no linear loads. Fault clear short
不要一直对着一个地方转一转。
and
哇，你去那
class
边，去那
H
边。
insulation. Let me introduce this cooling system. Standard integral multi radiator system designed and tested for wet ambient temperatures. Simplified. Facility design requirement for rejected heat. Control system is standard power command. Electronic control provides total system integration, including remote start, presses, frequency, and water regulation. Alert and still message display. Protection output. Material out shutdown. Enclosure optional wider protective and sound
那怎么办？
sound
还有多少？
temperature
还有多少？
or are available, so don't have any hesitation. Just place order. Today.
多长时间了？
Okay, that's all. And this comes engine fuel filter.
Now we will show you this engine clearly. This is air filter and the air filter cap. And this is a turbocharger. Heat exchanger, this.
Control box.
Yes, that's a control box. And the starter, flywheel hose. And the fuel injection pump. You can look this is Cummins nameplate. Okay, let's this is a pump engine with a PTO and radiator. 结束吧。
时间没到呢。
就这样吧。
再看看仓库吧。
This is advanced. 来这儿。This is advanced gearbox. This model is 300.
This is Jimbo.
Yes, best brand in China. It's suitable for this engine, which has which has more engine. 这个是什么型号呀？ You can look at so many boxes. This box all 4JB1T. It export to Colombia.
This is 预柴
Turbocharger. And that's max parts. So many. It's a 40 container. Export to Chile. This is HC800 gearbox. It is suitable for this engine, 1000 horsepower. This engine is SD Shanghai Diesel Engine Company, SDEC. If you are interested in our product, you can contact us through Facebook or Alibaba, and you also can interview our web. You can look so many goods. These are air filters and max parts. And the 4达 engine. Yes, this is 4达 engine. OK， 可以了，随便展示一下就行。细讲。And if you need the forklift, you also can contact us. 还有什么？没有就结束吧，快点来个结束语。老板，让他来吧。
Okay, this all. See you next time. Happy New Year in advance.